Hi everyone. Today we will be taking a look at the STM32 Blue Pill and how to set it up to be programmed with LD Micro Ladder logic. The STM32 Blue Pill is a development board like the Arduino Nano. It is based on the STM32F103C8T6, a 32-bit ARM Cortex-M3 processor running at 72 MHz frequency with 64 KB of flash memory and 20 KB of SRAM. 8 MHz frequency crystal oscillator is the main clock for the microcontroller, and a 32.768 kHz oscillator for the internal real-time clock. The micro USB port is for serial communication and power supply to the board. This onboard LED is for power indication. This other LED is connected to the GPIO pin PC13. Here is the reset button for the microcontroller. The boot memory is selected with boot 0 and boot 1 jumpers. This 4-pin header CLK, DIO, 3.3V, and GND are the SWD interface for programming and debugging the Blue Pill with the ST-Link V2 programmer. A voltage regulator under the board ensures that 3.3 volts is regulated from 5 volts and made available to the microcontroller and these pins. There are 32 general purpose input-output pins, PA0 to PA12 and PA15, PB0, PB1, PB3 to PB15, and then PC13, 14, and 15. The pins operate with 3.3 volts. However, these pins are 5 volts tolerant. 10 12-bit analog inputs are available on these pins. 15 pulse width modulation on these pins. 3 USARTs, 2 I2C, and 2 SPI. The ST-Link V2 programmer 3.3 volts and GND pins are connected to that of the Blue Pill board. The SWDIO is connected to the DIO and SWCLK to the CLK of the board. Connect an LED to PB11 through a 330 ohms resistor to GND. Then plug the programmer to your computer. Now let's download and extract LD Micro 32 version 5.5 with this link. LD Micro 32 is a fork of LD Micro developed by Jose for 32-bit microcontrollers. Also download and extract ARM GCC compiler with this link. Finally, download and install ST-Link software with this link. You may have to fill out a form to access the download link. Open the extracted GCC compiler folder and copy the folder address. In the extracted LD Micro 32 folder, right-click on Build ARM and select Edit. Locate Set GCC Path and replace the address with the earlier copied one. Then save and close. Navigate to the ST-Link utility folder from the Program Files folder of your hard drive and copy the folder address. In the extracted LD Micro 32 folder again, right-click on Flash MCU and select Edit. Locate Set STL Path and replace the address with the earlier copied one. Then save and close. Now you're all set. Double-click on the LD Micro 32 application. From the Settings menu, select the Blue Pill microcontroller from the ARM MCUs option. Select the MCU parameters option of the Settings menu and set the crystal frequency to 72. From the Temporization option of the instruction menu, insert a cyclic timer to the ROM and a coil output pin from the Contacts and Coils option. Double-click on the timer and rename it. Change the delay to 500. Also, rename the coil. Double-click on the coil in the variable window below. Double-click on PB11 and save the program. Select Compile ARMGCC from the Compile menu and save the C file. From the Compile menu again, select Build C Solution. The X file should be generated. Finally, select Core Flash MCU from the Compile menu to upload the logic to the board. The LED connected to the blue pill should start flashing. There you have it. You can go on and explore programming STM32 Blue Pill with LDMicro32. Thanks for watching. Please click on the like button if this video is helpful. Hope to see you soon.